Another volatile session on Dalal Street, but wasn't really surprising given the fact that we had the weekly expiry today. So the Nifty and Sensex were volatile and were trading in a narrow band and ended the day in the red for a third straight session. But the good news is that the recovery that we have been seeing in the broader end of the markets over the last few sessions, only gained traction today. So you had the mid and small cap indices gaining in excess of 1% each. In terms of sectors, metals, were shining bright today. Metal index gained somewhere around 2%. Autos came out of a longish period of underperformance. So we saw auto pack also gaining somewhere around 1% or thereabouts. But the FMCG pack, saw declines for a 14th straight session. In terms of individual movers on the index, you had the likes of NTPC and Shriram Finance. Both the stocks gained in excess of 3%. On the flip side, you had HDFC Bank and Maruti Suzuki, those two were the top laggards. Among other notable movers today, NHPC was all fired up, 7% gains on the back of an upgrade coming in from CLSA. On the other hand, you had IGL as well gaining 5% as Jeffries is fairly upbeat on the stock. From the broader end of the markets on the Nifty 500 index, you saw Godfrey Phillips tumbling somewhere around 9%. Cigarette makers in general were weak today on concerns of a GST hike. Aside from that, if you look at Godrej Industries, that stock rallied somewhere around 17.5% in today's session. That was all about today's market action. For more news and updates, stay tuned to Money Control.